welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, for those of you who don't know me. Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look here. I was really feeling in the mood to play with a lot of greens. This is also kind of a look that I'm kind of trying to figure out the colors I want to use for a friend's makeup that I'm going to be doing, so I just kind of played today. Well, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base as always, and I do apologize for the lighting. It does get better. I don't know why it's all weird. Oh, there it goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out over my eyes. Then I am going into the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, and I'm using the shade Conch to set my concealer on my eyes as always. Then I go into the Colourpop Single Shadow in the shade Issues. And I'm going to run that into my crease and just above my crease as my transition shade, because I like orange and greens together. It looks very, very nice. And I'm using a Wet n Wild fluffy brush, by the way. Now I'm going into my Karity Matte Palette, and I'm using the shade Wicked, and that is going to go right in my crease. I'm using a slightly less fluffy brush than the previous one that I used. And it is a very bright lime green. It's a very, very, very pretty color. Now I'm going back into the Karity palette, and I'm using the shade Medusa, which is a deeper green. Now I'm using more of a flat shader brush to kind of work this where I want it, and then I'm going to go back in and blend everything together. But right now it's more about the placement. Now I'm going in and blending it with the shade Wicked again, just to get a nice seamless blend. And then in a minute I'm going to go back in with Issues and just blend the top of that as well. Now I'm going in with another Colourpop single, and this is in Team Captain, and it is a much more dark green. And I'm just kind of building the green on top of the green on top of the green. I'm hoping to do this on my best friend soon, or something similar to this, because it was just so much fun to do this kind of halo eye with glitter, of course. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to put that on my eyes. I like to use a brush to do this. I know some people like their fingers, and I'm using a DKB glitter in Ashley. And here I am just applying that glitter primer, and I'm doing it right in the center of my lid. Doing both eyes. I like a brush better. I don't know why. I just feel like I get the placement a little better. Now I'm going in with that DKB glitter in Ashley. And don't worry, I will have that glitter link down below if anyone would like to try it. I absolutely love DKB glitter. And this glitter with this look just looks so pretty. And then I take the same brush I used with Khaki, and I kind of blend everything in together. That's what you kind of see towards the end after I have all the glitter on, because I want to make sure it's kind of blended in and it doesn't look like it's just sitting on top of my eye. By the way, if you see me dance and listen to music. Next, I use my e.l.f. gel eyeliner, and this is just in black. I have gotten back into gel eyeliners. Can't help it. I like them. Potted gel eyeliners are my life. It's where I first learned to do a wing liner. Yeah. Next, we're going in with the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. And everything I use will be linked down below, by the way. And then we go in with the Amuse Face Primer. This is their anti-redness primer. I love this primer. It's $1. I love it. Shop Miss A has everything. I'm just saying. Just saying. Next, I go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation, as well as the Manic Panic Dreamtone. And I'm just dotting the e.l.f. foundation all around. Now I'm trying to get the Manic Panic, and I just squirted it all over my face. I'm sorry, this still makes me laugh. It was just so unexpected. It like exploded, and I had to leave it in. I couldn't like edit. It was just too funny. It was just too funny. Now I'm just blending all of that together and still kind of finding the humor in the fact that the white foundation exploded all over my face. And then I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. I am almost out of this, you guys. It's almost done. It's almost gone. Yes! And then I'm just going to blend that all in. Blend, 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 blendy, blend, 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 blend. Then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have a little sample of this that Kat from Rented Fashion was so kind to send me. And I like to use this to set wherever I put my concealer. I don't really like it anywhere else. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and the NYC Smooth Loose Powder, and I'm going to mix them together. We're going to Frankenstein that powder. There it is. There's the Frankenstein. And then I just kind of dump that all into the lid just so it's nice and mixed when I go to put it on my face. Here I am putting that powder all over my face, setting everything that was not set because it just needs to be set. Then I'm going to take my NYX Tame Frame Brow Pomade, and this is still an espresso. I'm trying to use that sucker up. And here I am working on those brows. So I like a darker brow. I know not everyone likes a darker brow with blonde. I just feel like if I go too light, it looks like nothing is framing my face. My brow hairs are a little darker anyway. They've always kind of been that way. So I can't. And then I go back into the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette. And I'm using the shade Marina to set those. That also lightens it slightly. And it also just makes sure I don't spread everything all over. Then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and we are going to bronze. Bronze, 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 bronzy, bronze. Next is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. We're just going to contour. Cut those cheekbones. Cut them. Cut them. Next is the Milani Blush in Tea Rose. And now we are going to take the Kat Von D Anti Precision Basketcase eyeliner, and we're just going to run that into my lower waterline. I love it. Then we're going back in with that Colourpop Single Shadow Team Captain. We're just running that underneath my lower lash line. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it looks good. It looks so good. Then we're going into the Element of Surprise palette, and I think this is the shade Silk Street, or it might be Late Night. I'm not sure. We're going to go with Silk Sheets. I can't read the back of those palettes to save my life. I've tried. Then we're going to use my all-time favorite highlighting palette from BH Cosmetics, the Spotlight Highlight Palette, and we are using the shade Vivid. One day I will hit pan. One day. I use that sucker every single day. Then we're going in with one of my favorite Colourpop Ultra Matte Lips in Trap. It just looks so pretty. I just love that color. It's a nice nude. Then we're going to take my Medusa's Makeup Setting Spray, and we're going to spray this all over my face and set that makeup. Do, 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 do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gorgeous. Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. I will have all of the products that I used for this tutorial linked down below. And just so you know, if you guys ever want to see me do different looks or attempt different looks or kind of dupe things, message me on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked down below, or leave it in the comments and I will try some different looks out and just see what I can do, because that just sounds like a lot of fun to me. So thank you again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and bye!